Welcome to our channel Elimika Mtandaoni and welcome to Information System Strategies. My name is Agustino Mogosi. I will be your instructor for this course, Information System Strategies. I'm excited to take you through the fascinating world of information systems and how information systems can strategically transform organizations. You may be a person studying information systems, or a person just owning a business that would need the knowledge about information system strategies so that you can take your business from one level to another level. So we'll have a series of lectures on information system strategies. So make sure that you subscribe, you add a notification that whenever I upload a new lecture, you will be the first one to get that lecture. So this is the first lecture, and in this first lecture we'll dive into the fundamentals of information system strategies. We'll again talk about what an information system strategy is and why it is crucial for organizations, and we will explore the impact of digital transformation. I will also cover some key success factors and causes of failure, and we will wrap up with some real-world examples to make these concepts more concrete. So let's get started. What is information system strategy? This is a very basic question that if we define information system, we can say information system strategy is a framework that guides the adoption, use, and management of information system to meet business objectives. In other words, we can say it's about aligning the technology and information systems of an organization with larger objectives. So it is like this. We have an organization here, and an organization has a goal. So in order for an organization to reach its goals, then it needs information systems and it needs information technology. So the strategy of aligning these two, information system, aligning the information system and information technology to the business goal, that is what we call information system strategy. So let us ask ourselves, why is this so important? Why is information system strategy so important? Well, a good information system strategy can help an organization operate more efficiently, deliver some innovative products and services, and stay competitive in an ever-evolving market. We can say, in other words, information system strategy actually helps an organization to achieve its strategic objectives. What are the strategic objectives of any organization? One is operational excellence. Second one is customer and supplier intimacy. Third one is competitive advantage. Fourth one is improved decision making. Then new products, services, and business model, but without forgetting survival. An organization needs information system to survive. So, for example, think about Amazon. Amazon's information system strategy includes the use of advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence that help this company to make some personalized recommendations to customers. This doesn't just improve customer satisfaction, but it also directly boosts Amazon's sales. So if you have a well-planned information system strategy, then it is essential for companies that look to stay ahead. Then what are the components? What are the components of information system strategy? Let's look at its main components, or we can say we can break information system strategies into 4 key areas. The very first area is the business strategy. Business strategy integration. We talk about business strategy integration. Business strategy integration, this one here. So what does that mean? The information system strategy must support and align with the organization's goal. When we talk about business strategy alignment or business strategy integration, it means that the IS strategy that we want to include in the organization must support and align with organization goals. I will give you an example. Think of a bank that aims to expand in rural areas where there are few numbers of banks. How can this bank reach these people in the rural areas? There is where you might find that an organization expands to rural areas through the development of information system strategy that includes mobile banking. So think of an example in South Africa where MTN used an information system strategy that used digital solutions like mobile money that align with its African market expansion strategy. So that is very important. One area that we should take into note when we are talking about information system strategy is the business strategy alignment. Make sure that the strategy that you are developing support or align with the goals of an organization. What's the goal of your organization? Is it to increase customers? Is it to increase efficiency? Is it to improve decision making? Then create an IS strategy that aligns with that goal. But another key important area as you are doing that, make sure that you choose the right technology stack. What type of software are needed? What type of hardware are needed? The network resources needed. These should be according to the organizational needs. So companies like Vodacom, for example, have invested in mobile and cloud technologies to support their services. So you find there are a lot of mobile technologies, there are a lot of cloud technologies, they have a lot of technologies. Think of Mkoba technology, think of M-Pesa service. All these have used some technologies to support these, to support their goals. Another important area is operational support. Information systems should be able to enable daily operations and should contribute to the long-term growth of an organization. We have in Tanzania Revenue Authority. Tanzania Revenue Authority, in short it is called TRA. They have a system called e-filing, which is a great example of how information system can support both everyday tasks and the broader goals of efficiency. A number of universities have information systems to help them in recording students' information. They are called student record systems. So that is another important area, operational support. So if you are having an information system strategy, you have first to consider what is the organization goal. Another key area that is important is resource management. This means effectively manage budgets, effectively manage personnel and other resources. Companies like Safaricom in Kenya that operates M-Pesa invest heavily in skilled information technology professionals to keep their systems running and secure. So each of these components, they contribute to a solid information system strategy that not only aligns with the business goals, but also supports the organization's day-to-day operations. Now, let us talk about the role of information system strategy in organizations. We talked about strategic business objectives of any organization. So the role of information system strategy is in 6 parts. One is about enhancing efficiency in operations. 2 is about improving decision making. Think of Toyota's information system strategy that includes lean manufacturing software to reduce wastes and improve production. In Tanzania, we have a bank called NMB where they use mobile banking software to provide financial services quickly and reduce customer wait times. Nowadays, these banks, they even give loans to its customers. So via mobile applications. That is the role of information system strategy, to enhance efficiency in operations, but also to improve decision making. Another role is to facilitate innovation. As you are saying that you are facilitating innovation, it means that you enable an organizations to come up with new business models, new products, and new services. Nowadays, for example, the music industry is no longer doesn't need cassettes, doesn't need physical storage, because it depends on online platforms nowadays. So if you are establishing a music industry, you have to consider that you need to come up with a kind of business service or business product that is not necessary to be physical. Even businesses, you don't need to have a physical location to say that you have a business, because we have a number of business models. So you need to have an online store that will help you in selling your products. So information system facilitates innovation by enabling new business models, new products, and new services. In Ghana, Mpedigree uses mobile technology for product authentication, showing how IS can create value through innovation. Another role of information system strategy in organizations is supporting competitiveness, competitive advantage. How? It is through adapting to technological changes and market demands. Vodacom Tanzania has mobile financial services. It is called M-Pesa. It helps to compete with the banks and other telecom companies. So those are the roles of information system strategies. Now let's talk about digital transformation. Digital transformation is actually a very important concept in today's information system strategies. It refers to how organizations integrate digital technologies into everyday part of their businesses. This can fundamentally change how an organization operates and provides value to its customers. So that is digital transformation. It means that we move now from having physical stores, now we can have online stores. We are moving now from having physical products, now we have digital products. So that is digital transformation. And there are a number of key technologies that are found when we talk about digital transformation. Nowadays, we have moved from manual to automatic. Now we have automation as technologies, but automation has gone further into other technologies like artificial intelligence technologies, where we have predictive analytics for decision making. We have Internet of Things, where we have smart devices that collect and share data. We have blockchain technology, we have cloud computing, we have augmented reality, big data analytics, machine learning. Now we are moving from 4G to 5G, and we go to 6G, etc. So that is digital technologies. But there are some drivers that push these organizations to embrace digital transformations. What are they? Drivers of digital transformation in information system. There are a few key drivers. One is customer expectations. Our customers expect a lot. Customers today expect faster and more personalized services. For example, banks across Africa are offering what we call mobile banking services to meet the demand of customers. An example of such banks is Standard Bank in South Africa, that uses digital tools to offer a seamless customer experience. Another driver is competitive pressure. Companies have to keep up with the technological advancements to remain competitive. Take example of Jumia. They use digital channels to make their electronic commerce platforms available across Africa. Another key driver is operational efficiency, where digital tools can reduce operational costs by automating processes. For example, the Tanzania Revenue Authority now uses digital tax payment systems to streamline its services. Another driver is data utilization. Now we have big data and analytics that allow organizations to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions. Globally, companies like Netflix, for example, analyze viewing habits of its viewers to recommend content that suits each user's preferences. Even as the social media networks, social media now uses these big data and analytics to learn about its users' habits, its users' preferences. That's why you will find that as you are opening some social media accounts, social media networks, you find that there are some personalized advertisements that are suitable for you as a user. Let's move with our course, Information System Strategy, and now let's talk about information system success and failure. Why do information systems succeed, and why sometimes these information systems fail? When we talk about information system success, we mean that information system supports the organization's goals and it adds value. And on the other hand, speaking of information system failure, it often occurs when the successes, the elements that we talk in information system success are not in place. So let's talk about these one after another. The factors influencing information system success. One is clear objective, engagement of users, management support, change management, and resource allocation. So if you define the goals that align with the business needs, you will find that this information system will succeed. And ensuring that you involve users participate in the design and the implementation of such information system is very, very important. Also, active support from top management is another important success factor. Also, talking about change management, it means addressing resistance to new systems and processes. You may find that there are a number of people that won't be happy as you are introducing the information system. For example, Coca-Cola uses an extensive training to encourage employees to adopt new information system technologies. Lastly, let's talk about resource allocation. That means you need to have proper budgets, skilled personnel, and time. Amazon allocates significant resources to recruit top engineers and fund research and development. Why do information systems fail? What are the causes? Poor planning. That means there is lack of strategy and clear objectives. Some government ICT projects in Tanzania have failed due to limited planning and lack of user involvement. Another cause of failure is inadequate training. Users are not trained properly on the new system. When banks, let's say, launch a new digital platform, if there is poor user training, that can lead to a low adoption rates of that system. Another challenge is resistance to change. Organizational culture are not supportive of information system changes. For example, if we introduce electronic health record systems in Tanzania, the introduction of such systems have faced a number of challenges where staff that adopted such a system complain each and every day. There are also some technical issues, for example, incompatibility with existing systems or insufficient system testing. Think of the failure of Kenya's Huduma Number project that faced the issues with technical integration across databases. Now that we have talked, let's look at few quick case studies and see these concepts in action. The case study number one is about Amazon's AI-driven recommendations. Amazon's success in electronic commerce is partly due to the use of artificial intelligence in personalizing recommendations. This information system strategy has helped Amazon increase customer satisfaction, has increased the sales, and has demonstrated the importance of aligning information system with the business goals. There is another case study in Ghana, where Ghana's Digital ID project. In Ghana, the government launched this Digital ID project, but it failed. It faced a number of significant setbacks. Why? It is due to poor planning and technical challenges. This case highlights how information system failure can result when projects lack proper planning and stakeholder involvement. There is another case of NMB Bank. The mobile banking in Tanzania, NMB uses mobile banking as part of its information system strategy to reach more customers, especially in rural areas. This approach actually has helped NMB to expand its customer base, and it has improved service accessibility. That shows how information system can support strategic goals effectively. We have a number of cases. There is M-Pedigree and Counterfeit System for Innovation. We have Kenya's Huduma Number project and with its challenges. To summarize this lecture, we have covered what an information system strategy is and why it is important, and some of the